Namaskar students. Today I will teach you about TuxPaint. So your chapter 3, here we will start more about TuxPaint. So have you used MS Paint in class 3? Yes, I know that you have used and you know very well how to make paintings through MS Paint. So now this tool is extended version of MS Paint, we can say. So TuxPaint allows you to create storyboards, create different drawings. It allows to use some stamps and some pictures, some drawings inbuilt. So let me start how to open it. So first you have to click on Start menu, click on All Programs, then find out TuxPaint. So TuxPaint, it is available here. Then click on this TuxPaint Full Screen. There are two options. First one is TuxPaint Full Screen, second is TuxPaint Window. So which you have to click? TuxPaint Full Screen to open it in a full screen mode. So after few seconds it will open. This is the beginning screen of the TuxPaint. You will see nice penguin here. It is just raising his hand one side and one side TuxPaint is written. So wait until it launch. When it will launch, you will get the main screen of TuxPaint. So here you are getting some pictures. This I have made while teaching you in today's Google Meet class. So this picture I made that time. So if you did not understood what I have explained, so I will explain in this video now. So watch the video completely and understand how it works. So let me start with the tools. So first of all, let me select the new file. So I will introduce all the parts of this TuxPaint window. So first you will get tools here at left side. Tools is already written with black color and in green button. So first tool you are getting, that is pen tool. It is used to draw. Second is stamp tool. It is used to paste picture like this. As we are pasting the stamps on postcard or we are pasting stamps somewhere. Similarly you can paste different stamps, different pictures on this. Then lines are there. You can use these lines. Then shapes are there. You can use different shapes. ABC tool, this is text tool. You can write some text. As I have written tree here, I written home here likely. Then label, if you want to use label also, you can use label. Label and text, almost these two are similar, but label you can use to identify some objects in your drawing, and text is used to write your story, paragraphs like that. Then this tool is there. This tool is used to clear. This tool is for magic tool. Magic tool allows you to use different kinds of tools. Here I have prepared this wall by using that magic tool. We will see in detail. Next is undo redo. Undo redo means if you want to quickly reverse the previous work, you can use undo command. If you want to reverse the undo work, then you can use redo command. So these two commands are there, undo and redo. After that you will get eraser. Eraser is used to erase something. That also I will show you, demonstrate. Just now it is introduction. After that new button is there. This tool is given to select a new file. If you don't want to use this picture, you want empty and blank new picture, you can click on new option. Then open. If you have already made any picture earlier and if you want to open, just click on this open button. See, here different pictures are available. These pictures made by the students or by someone else. So these pictures are available. You can pick anyone from this and you can work on that. After that, save option is there. It is disabled right now. Save option, when you made any changes, this save option will be available. Suppose I am just drawing this object. Now see, save is available. So when you make any changes, if you want to save that changes, you can use this save button. Then print option is there, quit tool is there. So these tools are used to print and quit the TuxPaint. So let me start with the new file. So first, how to choose new file. So whenever you want to use new file, click on this new icon. After some time you will get one screen. There you have to select your background color. See, these are the different backgrounds available in TuxPaint gallery. Now you can use anyone. These are the different pictures and different backgrounds. Whatever picture you want, you can just click and you can use them. Okay, so see, there are so many pictures. Now I want to use the blank one with a specific color. I want to use white background. So I will just select white background. Here I have selected white and click on open. This open icon is here. Click on this button. Yes. You will get some noise when you select these options. Now see, here the new file is appeared. Now let me use brush tool first. How to use the brush tool? Just whatever drawing you want to make, use brush like this. Okay, you can reduce the thickness of brush by using this brushes tool like this. See, now I have changed the brush thickness. So whatever you want to draw or something you want to prepare here using brush tool, you can prepare. If you want to change the color, click on particular color and then just draw whatever you want to draw like this. If you want to use such type of flower with this brush tool, so you can do it. See now. So you can use any of these brushes and you can prepare the picture. Okay. So these are the different brushes available. You can select any one. After that, second is stamp tool. Stamp tool, if you want to prepare some inbuilt picture or you want to display some animals, some birds, so these stamps are available. But these stamps are not automatically available in your system. What you have to do, you have to download them. You can download this. I will provide the link in description for TuxPaint as well as this stamp tool. So you download from there and enjoy this TuxPaint drawing. So different animals you can draw. Okay. See, there are so many insects, so many animals, so many objects like truck, car, vehicle, everything will come here. Just click on this option, you will get that. See, suppose I want to use a specific, this penguin I want to use. So here it is very big, it is coming very big. So you can make it small from this. Now see, it is small, I want to use this much. Okay, this much big I want to use. See, now this penguin is coming here, this penguin is coming here. If you want to change the side, mirror side, then you can pick this one. So when you click, it will come with mirror effect. See, this left hand is this side, right hand is this side. Here it is opposite of that. So you can use like this, whatever changes you want to make, you can make. If you want to rotate, you can rotate like this. Flip vertical, flip horizontal. So these two options are there, two buttons are there. If you want to change other stamps, these stamps are available. Just click on this arrow. So many tools will come as you click on this arrow. So these all tools you can use and you can make a picture. So just explore these all tools and use in your drawing. Now let me move ahead. Lines. If you want to make a picture with lines, you can use these lines. Again, if you want to reduce this line thickness, you can use from these brushes. Now it is coming like this. See. So similarly, you can use any line. More lines are also available. So if you want to use very thin line, then you can use this one. See. So accordingly, you can prepare your objects and you can make the drawing. Second button in this line is shapes. You can use any shapes. Suppose I want to prepare triangle, that is with color. So I have made like this. Just drag it and click. When you click on that, it will available. Just press and click your mouse, and when you finish, one more time click it. So likely you can draw. If you want to use circle, I want to change color now. So color I have picked and I want it here. See. Okay. So likely you can use the shape. Text I want to write something, then I can use text. Here shape demo. So whatever you want to use, you can use like this. Just write text and wherever you want this text, just click there, that text will move at that place. Okay, so I hope you understood very well how to use this tool. Let me move ahead. Label. Label is also similar like text. Here I want to write about mountains. So the word mountain I have used, I want at this place. So I click here. Now magic tool. Magic tool is used to prepare different objects. So here different objects are coming. You can pick any tool. Suppose I want to use fill. So fill tool is available here, and color. I want this color and I want to fill in this circle. See, wherever you want to use, you can use there. See, this eye I have changed. Penguin eyes are purple now. Oh, magic. Okay, now see, undo. Undo means this you have made by mistake. Now you want to make it usual as earlier it was. So what you can do, you can click on undo. So it will move to the previous step. See, all steps are repeated here. So whatever work you have done, that go back. That can be reversed. Okay, redo tool is doing the reverse of undo. See, whatever we have done through undo, those all tools will come once again. This was our last step in undo. So likely you can use this redo. After that, eraser. Eraser, if you want to erase something, you can use this eraser. See, I have erased these flowers. So you can use this eraser. Then new, I have already demonstrated what is the use of new. Open. If you want to open any file, you can open from here. Just click back. Save. Now I want to save this picture. So I have clicked here, save. So it will save itself. Automatically it will be saved. Then print. Print we will see in next video. And quit. Quit means if you want to go out from this TuxPaint. So you click on quit. Then you will get this message. Do you really want to quit? Yes, I am done. So if your work is completed and you want to quit, click on this button. Yes, I am done. So here it's closed. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you like this video, give me thumbs up. Comment your doubts if you have any doubt. And if you have not subscribed this channel yet, so subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon. So you will get videos like this and you will learn so many things. Thank you for watching video once again, children. We will meet in another video.